What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. All right, guys. Got your coffee? Hey, gotta have your coffee. Well, you may not, but I do. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you look in the right hand corner, there is a little red square there that says subscribe. Go ahead and smash it for me. Thank you so much. Like the video, please, and thank you. All right, guys, for everybody else, welcome back. Now, we're at the end of 2022, so what I want to do today is give you my top affiliate instant pay digital marketing education programs. Okay, what's my top ones, okay, that I highly recommend? I'm a part of a few, but I want to give you the top ones that's working and that's in demand. All of them work, okay, let's be clear, but the top ones, what's in demand right now, okay? And that's what we're going to go over, okay? So, and why, all right? So you can check all these out at the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, so, but before we get into that, I've got to show you my system, okay? This free system. You're going to be seeing me talk about it because it is the real deal. I couldn't believe it myself. Let me move this out the way. Okay. Free video reveals how this 100% free marketing system is generating full-time incomes from home. Okay. It's a free marketing system. Yes, my number one marketing system is the Conversion Pros. I'm earning residual on that. This is a free system. I'm not earning one dime. Okay, but I'm sharing it with you guys because it has value. Okay, that's number one. It's free. You don't have to pay anything for it. It's going to help you with your primary business, whatever that is. How's that? Because you can plug in your primary businesses up to 10 different links in the back office of this system. So this is a front end feeder marketing system, lead magnet system that's going to lead your leads into your primary business, whatever you're promoting. Okay, what's going to lead them is they're going to see, oh, this is free. That's number one. Number two, they're giving away a free downloadable product right here. Okay, so they're getting something free. Okay, people like free stuff, don't we? Okay, so once they get in here and they actually create an account, they're going to see all your business opportunities that you have. So it's a great way to promote your business. Not to mention they have capture pages, email swipes. Okay, they have the autoresponder that's set up, okay, with this thing. This is powerful. All right, so you definitely want to get your free system. The link is in the description. It's free. It's going to help you with your business opportunity. Okay, I can't tell you how many people I've talked to. They're already in a program. Okay, so if you're already in a program, this is going to help you with that. All right, so get your free system. All right, go check it out. Make sure you check your email when you sign up, guys, because you got to confirm your email. If you're serious about getting this system, they're going to send you an email. You need to confirm it. So go check your spam. Go check your email so that you can get the free system. All right. Now, let's get into my top affiliate instant pay digital marketing education programs. Hey, now, the very first, number one system that I'm going to have to say at this time, okay, is DWP. Okay, DWP would be my number one pick if you had to just start from scratch right now, okay, and join a program, I would say DWP. Now, I'm going to tell you why they have a call center, okay? This is going to free you up, especially my newbies that say, hey, I'm brand new, or I really don't know how to do this thing. This is perfect because you're going to be out of the sales process, period. You're not going to be involved. You're not going to answer any calls, okay? Because when you look at the screen, your number is nowhere here, okay? It has the 800 number for people to call the call center. Just give your referral ID. The call center is going to sign them up. The call center is going to notify you via email that they've got somebody on the phone that they're working with. And then if they sign up, they're going to send you another email and say, hey, you just got a new sign up, a new member. Here's their name, email. They're going to be sending you some money here shortly. Okay? That's how this program works. Now, they have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. You can make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and $1,500 commissions. So 4 income streams, 1 system with a call center. That's why I say that, the call center. Because all you need to do is promote this opportunity. Send traffic to your capture page. Let the call center close the sales, and let the call center get these folks to send you money. Instant pay any way you want. Credit card, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever. However you decide. This will be my #1 pick. Okay? So we got low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket. We're hitting all areas here. That's why I say this program. So $297 for the $200 level, $497 for the 400 product, $997 for the $800 product, and $1997 for the $1,500 product. If you get the $1,500 product, you're all in. You get everything. Okay, all the training, and you earn all the commissions. You're positioned to receive all commissions on all levels. One thing about this program, though, even if you come in here for $297 and you sell a $400 product, you're still going to make $200. Okay, still going to do that. However, the difference will roll up to your sponsor. Okay, but you still get paid what you invested. Okay, so that will be the #1 pick. Number 1 pick. Number two would be Exodus, because they're kind of similar. They're all digital products, right? We've already determined that digital products, instant pay, because they also have many products, 5 I want to say, and you get paid $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 digital. Okay, so you have room to grow here as well. Okay, now with this one, there's 1-up. There's no 1-up with DWP, and there's no pass-ups with DWP, the first program. This one, the first sale, you pass up. All right, so you got several levels here with this one. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, now Exodus also has a call center, but on the website, they don't give you the phone number, right, for the person to call directly. See, DWP takes you out of that process by putting the 800 number right on the screen where your prospects can see that. We would have to give you the call center number for Exodus, okay? So that takes that away somewhat, okay? But great products, great program, digital products, okay? 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000. Okay, so that will be my number 2 because of the multiple streams that you can earn right here. You know, I know a lot of people, they're joining, you know, programs where there's 1 level. That's what they prefer. But right here, you can get $100 commissions right in this system right here, guys. All right, so that will be my number 2. I'm not going to go into all of them because I want you to go check it out. www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, I'm just going to run them down for you. Next. Now, the other 2, there's no particular order. It's just I'm going to run it down. Those were my top 2, okay, in that order. This is 1 level, 247, MAP, my automatic pay. There's some people that say, hey, you know what, I don't want to feel like I'm missing out, the fear of missing out, FOMO. So they just want to get in the 247. They'll have the second sale that passes up. This one's only $280 to get in. This one level. There's no other levels. Okay. Once you pass up that second sale, you get the first sale, you get your money back. So you break even. Okay. On this first sale. 280 gets you the whole system. It's a business in a box. Autoresponder, the whole shebang. Okay. Built-in autoresponder, capture pages, everything. Follow-up emails. 280. Same scenario, get paid any way you want, okay? So you won't have to worry about missing out on any pass-ups or any of that because it's only one level, okay? $247 commissions over and over and over and over. All right, guys? So go check this one out, all right? Next up, okay, this is universal training. I like to call it the copy-paste method system, copy-paste blueprint. All right, right here, this is not the company's video, okay? This is a video that another affiliate marketer created, and he is on this video, okay? So let's be clear. This is not IPS's video here. Not. This is somebody else that created it, all right? So here we go. The $300 a day blueprint. This right here, guys, I think is a great system. This is universal training. I like to look at this as universal training because it doesn't matter what you're in or you're promoting. You can use this system to help you learn how to advertise on social media using ads, images, etc. You can also learn Craigslist marketing, how to post on Craigslist, what to say. All right, so this gives you all of the training for that. What should I post? I'm not sure what I should say. If somebody asks me this, what do I say? Okay, what should I be doing every day? You get your pre-written ads here. You get a 7-day action plan. Okay, got all types of results, proven results where people have earned money with this opportunity. Everything I've shown you, it's already been proven. I've shown you proof of payments and all of that, guys. So this is another great one. But if you want to learn how to market online, social media, this is what I would recommend. They have a few levels here. We'll go down. A lot of payment proofs on here. We got a Facebook group here too. Let's get all the way down here, because I want to get into it. All right, they recently added a $600 level, but you've got a $50 product, a $150 product, and a $300 product, and a $600 that they've added. All right, so you can come in wherever you fit in. Okay, they've got all the training. Look at all the details. You can look at the list and see which one has the bigger list, right, of what's included. So if you go with the Pro right here, you get everything below. All right, guys. So now with this, you can't, but when you upgrade, you've got to pay the whole amount. Okay, you don't pay the difference. So in other words, if you're at this $50 product and you decide, well, hey, I want this $300 product, you have to pay the whole $300. And this has changed, so we're going to be changing this. $39 is what it is instead of $25. It's $39 to get your website now. All right, guys. So that's the other program. I highly recommend instant payments. Okay, instant payments any way you want. And this, the page that they have, this is a different page. But the page they have, it's going to have your picture on it and all that. So it brands you. That's what I do like about the system. But it's very simple. Copy, paste, simple. All right? Copy, paste, simple. If you can copy and paste, you got a smartphone, perfect opportunity. All right? All right, there you have it, guys. My top 4 affiliate programs. Instant Pay digital education programs. All right, now let me show you something real quick here. Here's a page I'm going to be using and sending traffic for DWP. Check this out. Generate a hands-free passive income without talking to anyone. Is this dope or what? Okay, so this is going to be perfect to send traffic to for DWP. I personalized this and made this page. So if you join me in this, the Mega Pros, Mega Marketing Pro, the link is in the description. You can get the share codes of these pages that I've created. Okay, look at this one, guys. I got the share code for this one too. How I'm able to automate daily signups without talking to a single person. This is awesome. All right, so make sure you get your free system. It's free. All right, so be sure to go to the link in the description, sign up, get your free system, register, check your email, verify your email, register, get your system today. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it. All right, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.